Here we are, Al's Absolute Best Cleaning and Restoration. We're here to do a job, some tile and grout for flood tide. Some restaurant in Mystic, Connecticut. There's a new TV series coming out on the Food Network called Restaurant Impossible. So they called us, of course, the absolute best to take care of their tile and grout.
So I want to say thank you to Sean and his team from Al's Absolute Best Restoration and Cleaning Company for helping us out here at the flood tide.
This looks really good. Wow, I thought it would do that. Yeah. Wow, what a difference.
So I want to say thanks to Sean from Al's Absolute Best Restoration and Cleaning Company for helping us out at the flood tide restaurant. And let me tell you, he cleaned from top to bottom, did an amazing job. And I would recommend that you hire him to do any of your cleaning needs. Awesome guy, awesome company. Way to go. Thanks, buddy.
Thank you.
Don't forget, Al's Cleaning and Restoration.